Namaste, this is Dr. Rukma Rajendran from Divine Veda. Divine Veda, as a team, is on for a mission to make Ayurveda heard throughout the world.
We need your support for this. As a token of gratitude, Divan Veda is giving gift vouchers worth rupees 500 for an active subscriber every week. And this week's active subscriber name will be announced in this video.
Please watch this video till the end to know more details regarding that.
Breastfeeding is an infant's privilege and a mother's pleasure too. It is a natural phenomenon which benefits both the mother as well as the child, and it should not be avoided. Ayurveda have praised breastfeeding and mentioned many advantages of mother's milk in the ancient scriptures. Breastfeeding is the best method to give your love to your child. The child understands the mother through breastfeeding. In Ayurveda, breast milk or the stanyam is said to be the amritam. Stanya Sambat or the characteristics of normal breast milk. According to Acharya Charaka, the milk which is normal in color, smell, taste, and touch, and which mixes evenly when poured into the water, is known as the pure milk. This type of milk provides good health, growth, and development of the body and gives strength to the baby. The causes of Sanya Pravritti or the milk ejection process. Ayurveda have clearly enumerated the factors which result from milk ejection as thought, sight, or touch. Affection for the child is mainly responsible. The more the baby sucks at the breast, the greater is the stimulus for milk production. In third to fourth day after the delivery, milk ejection starts. It is interesting that fondling of the baby by the mother or hearing the baby crying often gives enough of a emotional signals to the hypothalamus to cause milk ejection. In the same way, many psychogenic factors can inhibit the oxytocin secretion and consequently depress the milk ejection. Prolactin, that is the milk secretion, reflex enhancing factors are sucking, expression of milk, emptying of the breast, night feeds, and hindrance factors, incomplete position, painful breast, oxytocin, milk ejection, reflex enhancing factors are thinking lovely of baby, the sound of the baby, the sight of the baby, and the mother is relaxed and comfortable. And hindrance factors are very stress, strain, the pain, and the doubt. Ayurveda have clearly explained the concept of Dhatri, which is a wet nurse. Ayurveda have advised for the arrangement of the wet nurses in conditions of inability for feeding the baby by the mother. A wet nurse should be affectionate to the child and she should be free from diseases. The benefits of breast milk. Ayurveda have described that good breastfeeding result in good growth, strength, longevity and good health of the child, as well as not causing any troubles or disease to the child. Both the mother and the baby gains benefits from the breastfeeding. Breast milk contains all the nutrients that an infant needs in the first 6 months of her or his life for a normal growth and development, which includes carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, proteins, and water. Colostrum, which is seen in the early stages of breast milk, contains antibodies called immunoglobulins. It contains amino acids which are very much suitable for a baby. The concentration of the protein in breast milk is zero point 0.9 gram per 100 ml, which is lower than in animal milk. If there is any higher protein in the animal milk, can overload the infant's immature kidneys with waste nitrogen products. Because of this lower protein concentration in the breast milk, it is more easily digestible. The breast milk contains sufficient vitamins for an infant unless the mother herself is deficient. The minerals, iron and zinc, are present in relatively low concentration, but their bioactivity and absorption is higher. Only infants born with low birth weight may need supplements before 6 months. Exclusive breastfeeding for 4 to 4 months appear to diminish the risk of respiratory hospitalization in infancy to one third. Breastfeeding also protects against the diarrhea specific morbidities. Breastfeeding have also reduced the risk of sudden infant death syndrome in children under the age of 1. It also helps in the reduction in childhood obesity risk. The benefits to the mother are breastfeeding is convenient and less time consuming one. Women who breastfeed their infants have less anxiety, provides protection against pregnancy due to lactation amenorrhea, decreases in postpartum weight retention. The long duration of lactation was associated with a reduction in the risk of coronary heart diseases, have a reduced risk of getting breast cancer. Basic breastfeeding routines and the times. The newborn needs to be fed 8 to 12 times every 24 hours. Once you have got the hang of it, most feeds takes 20 minutes or so. But in early days and weeks, they might take up to an hour. As your baby grows, the time baby takes to feed will reduce, and also the number of feeds. The breastfeeding techniques. There is no right or wrong way to hold and feed your baby. Each mum and each baby will differ. What is important is that you both feel comfortable. In a calm and comfortable position, make sure your baby is comfortable. Whatever position you are in, your baby should be stable and supported while head, neck, and spine should not be twisted. Check your baby is latching on correctly. A good latch is vital for comfortable breastfeeding. Learning breastfeed can take time, practice, and patience. Find an attachment technique that works for you and for your child. The techniques are baby led breastfeeding attachment. The best way for you to learn about breastfeeding is to let your baby teach you. Here, you and your baby should be in a comfortable position. And when your baby is calm, let the baby follow their instincts and start moving towards one breast. Support your baby from behind the shoulder and under the bottom. The other traditional technique is mother led breastfeeding attachment. Here, the mother has to encourage their baby to open the mouth and start suckling. Checking the breastfeeding attachment. Breastfeeding feels comfortable but not painful. The baby should take the breast more towards their chin than their nose. Breaking the attachment and burping. If you need to take your baby off from your breast to try attaching again or to stop feeding, avoid pulling your baby away from your breast. Instead, break the suction by inserting your little fingers into the corner of the baby's mouth between the gum and gently remove the baby from the breast. Burping after the feeding from each breast is required. To do this, sit your baby up and hold them on your shoulder and gently rub or pat their backs. In our next video, we'll be discussing about the Stanya Dushti, its causes and its treatment in Ayurveda, and also the diet which has to be followed by a lactating mother. And now it's time to announce who is that active subscriber. The active subscriber is Chidambar K. Congrats, Chidambar. Thanks for your support, and we expect the same in the upcoming videos as well. The lucky winner should get in touch with Divine Veda team by sending an email to contact@divineveda.com. Divine Veda has started a WhatsApp group. Its link you can find in the description box given below, where we will be mentoring the people on a day-to-day basis on health and fitness. Until we meet next time with a new video, this is me, Dr. Rukma Rajendran, signing off. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.